Okay, so somebody asked me about tennis elbow today. Here's a quick 3-minute mini map for tennis elbow. You need the large, firm ball. You take the ball and just create easy directional melting by just moving from your fingertip to your palm. Once you've gone over your whole palm, then see if you can bring it all the way up your forearm. And if you want, you can use your other hand to help to guide the ball up the forearm. And what you'll find is near the top of your forearm, there is a pressure point. Create straight down pressure. You'll know when you're on it, because when you flex and extend your wrist or wiggle it from left to right, or shake your fingers or make fists, you'll feel it reflect the tissue underneath the ball where you're compressing. This can help to release everything from tennis elbow to shoulder pain. It's a great position point. Try it on the other side, same thing. So just nice, easy pressure. And then again, if you want, come all the way up the forearm. Once you've come up the forearm, pause at the top, create that straight down compression, create flexion and extension with the wrist, or left to right, or wiggle the fingers, or make fists. All of those, again, should reflect the tissue right up in the forearm if you're really in the right place. One more place that's a great one as a pressure point is right in between the two bones of your forearm is another pressure point. If you take the ball and set it right onto that pressure point, and you can either create straight compression or create a small circular massaging motion. We call this a shearing technique. Shear the tissue to generate some fluids in between those two bones. Then create the compression, wait, and begin to do an indirect shearing technique by flexing and extending the wrist, creating left to right movement, wiggling the fingers, or making fists. And again, if you're in the right place, it really reflects the tissue right underneath the ball. Try it on the other side. You can either find it with your finger or take the ball and just create small little massaging circles, very small in your range, until you find that one area that we call a barrier, the biggest point of restriction. Create the compression, and again, slowly extend the wrist back and forth, left to right, wiggle the fingers, or make fists. The neat thing about the connective tissue is it's a seamless, integrated, connective tissue that envelops your entire body. It doesn't matter where you melt on your body. It's going to rejuvenate the entire structure from head to toe. Melt your hands. It's the easiest thing you can do in a day.